Assalamualaikum viewers, I am Zahid Kanoli Educate and you are watching Law and the Lawyer. Today video's topic is also for law students of LLB. In my previous video I talked about writ of mandamus. In today's video I am going to discuss writ of quowaranto. What is writ of quowaranto? Under which provision it can be filed, which court have power to entertain writ of quo-warranto, who may file writ of quo-warranto, and against whom it can be filed. This is the topic of today's video. Viewers, Article 199 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan have provided an opportunity to citizens of Pakistan in order to protect their fundamental rights. If there is no other efficacious alternate remedy in order to protect their right, they can file writ in High Court in order to protect their fundamental rights. Now, what is writ of quo-warranto? Writ of quo-warranto is also a type of writ which can be filed in High Court as per Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Article 199(1)(b)(2). What does quo-warranto means? Quo-warranto means under which authority, under which law a person claim any public office. As per Article 199(1)(b)(2), on application any person make an order requiring a person within territorial jurisdiction of the court holding or purporting to hold a public office to show under what authority of law he claimed to hold that office. It means writ of mandamus may be filed if any person claiming any public office without legal entitlement, and it's a form of information, it's a type of information which is given to High Court by the petitioner in order to inquire about the legal value of that person who is claiming a public office. Now, what is public office? Public office means an office which is using legislative, executive or judicial powers of government for public interest. If there is no public office, then writ cannot be filed against the respondent. The essential element for filing writ of quo-warranto is that the claimant must claim about a public office, that he is legally entitled to hold a public office. It was held in Supreme Court, Honorable Supreme Court, in its judgment PLD 2007 Supreme Court 5-2. And when any citizen file writ of quo-warranto in High Court in order to inquire any public office claimant, that he narrate, that he show, that he explain under which legal capacity he has claimed or he has occupied such an office, then the court is bound to inquire about the matter as per this judgment of Honorable Supreme Court of Pakistan PLD 2007 SC Supreme Court 5-2. If a person is not holding public office, then writ cannot be filed against him. Now, who can file a writ of quo-warranto against the respondent or claimant of a public office? In Article 199(1)(b)(2), it's mentioned that any person any person may file writ, but a judgment of Sindh High Court impose a section. Similarly, there are also other judgments on the point that the person who is filing writ petition must be clean-handed. There will be no bad intention on part of that person who is going to file writ of quowaranto against any claimant. If the petitioner who is going to file, who is seeking order from the court to inquire under which legal capacity that respondent hold the office, the petitioner intention is not good. He is filing a writ petition with malified intention. Then this type of writ cannot be maintainable. The sole object of writ of quowaranto is to protect public office, is to protect security of public office. It was held in PLD 2013 Lahore 343. In this judgment it was held that only sole object of writ of quowaranto is to protect security of public office. So this was today lecture about writ of quowaranto. I hope that it will be beneficial, it will be fruitful for law students, for LLB students. Now at the end, I request, if you are newcomer on the channel, this channel is for awareness of general public as well as for law students. I request, if you are new on the channel, subscribe the channel, press bell icon, and if it is possible for you, share the video with other peoples for awareness, for legal awareness. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.